Hi guys, I hope you're fine. So today we're going to continue with our tutorial 2. This is going to be the part 2, just to complete it, which is based on the goods market framework. So in the last part of part 1, we did until question 3. So today we're going to carry on from question 4 and we finish it. Very good. So let's see how does it look like. It says consumption is equal to 160 plus 0.6 YD. Investment equals to 150. Government spending equals to 150, and the tax rate 100. Solve for the following variables. Very good. So what basically we are going to do is that I would say A is the equilibrium income. Y. Very good. So in part 1, I said we were following the multiply approach, the short one, and I will show you how to use the algebraical way. So is what we're going to do here. We will just plug in the values or the functions and so on and so forth. We'll say y is equal to c plus I plus g. This is where everything starts. Y is equal to 160 plus 0.6 YD plus 150 plus 150. Very good. So here we don't include minus CT because we are going to plug it in here in the disposable income. So we just work it out the way it is. We'll say y is equal to 160 plus 0.6 multiplying y minus t. But since we know that the t, we already know the value of t, we'll just plug it in, right? 100 plus let me say 300. Very good. So here we will say y is going to be equal to 160 plus 0.6 y minus 60, plus 300, right? So here we will say we'll just group the common factors, right? Y minus 0.6, y is going to be equal to 400, okay? And this is going to be 0.4, y equals to 400, and this is going to be, it's going to imply that y, okay, very good, I will just write it down, is going to, no, just don't, I'm going to continue it here. So this is going to say y is going to be equal to 400 divided by 0.4 is going to be equal to 1000. Very good. So this is our income of equilibrium or equilibrium income, So let's move on. B, it says determine YD, disposable income. So YD is equal to y minus t. All right. So in other words, we can just say, we would say YD is equal, would be equal to y minus, I will just open the bracket, t plus, plus ty. If we had this part of t, all right, which is the t which depends on income, however, we don't have it. So since we don't have it, this is going to be only minus t. So yd is going to be equal to 1000 minus 100. Then YD is going to be equal to 900. Very good. So this is our disposable income. All right. C says determine the in this case, let me just confirm. Very good. Consumption expenditure. All right. Whoa, is the total consumption. All right. Determine consumption expenditure. Very good. So we know that C is equal to 160 plus 0.6 YD. So all of this part here, we call it induced consumption, all right? So the induced consumption, for example, in other words, we're trying to say that instead of only going until calculating the YD, they can just ask us to calculate or to determine the induced consumption. So all you need to do is just to multiply the YD by the marginal propensity to consume, and that's it. So let's go for it. We will have here C equals to 160 plus 0.6 multiplying in this case 900. So this we will say C is equal to 160 plus 50, and this we will say the total consumption is 700. Very good. So this is the second part of our tutorial. It was just to complete it. Did you like the video? You have some questions? Don't hesitate. Just email us on santosnekasbila@gmail.com and we will help you out. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.